Okay, part 3. Yeah, this takes too long. I'm thinking of pulling out the road floor to use this. Okay, still there. Still warming up. Now, a lot of people are asking me, what's the nut and fruit mix? Basically, it's basically a lot of nuts, a little bit of fruit. That's why I carry my own. See, that's a lot of nuts, little bit of fruit. I got maybe 10 pieces of raisins, right? And the rest are nuts. That's why I carry a raisin pack. It's one of the little small ones you can pick up at the store. Okay, put back on the hat. Still waiting for that to heat up. Okay, thank you to David Lynn. That's the only bad thing about the. Let's get it out of the trash bag. These heater bags, they only have like a 2 to 3 year lifespan, after which point they go bad. Okay, let's put that over that. That turns off the sterno. So far it's been like an hour and 30 minutes trying to cook this. It's pleasantly hot. Scissors go blind around here. Oh yeah. Okay, you cut across the top here, or you cut across. They do have 2 little notches right here. You cut it lengthwise. Since we're sitting down and we're inside the house, you cut it lengthwise. I don't recommend it if you're on the field. That's why everybody opens up the top. And we got that in there. Again with the middle spoon. Oh yeah, that'll do it. No hot sauce. Kind of figure that. 1 second. Let's put this one up here while I get my bottle of hot sauce. Oh boy. Also, Uncle has one of these stashed away everywhere. This is why I tell everybody about spices. You want something stashed away. It's a little bit salty, high in sodium. It's alright, you're going to burn that off anyway. For a 20-year-old, this would be perfect. And like I said, one of these would be fine if you have a 24-hour or 48-hour bolt bag, basic operation bag, or mission bag, whatever you want to call it, I don't care. That's better. Need the heat. It is a bit salty. I'm tired. Now, if the heating bag or this thing, you have time and you can set it up for a hot drink, this is still boiling hot. I do recommend not to drink the water, but it is hot. I have to be careful. I got paws on one side of my face. Again, there's hardly no raisins in the raisin nut pack, and I've been going through it slowly like I always do. This is why I didn't open up the granola. That would give me more sugar, or I put a sugar pack in this, but it is edible and you can chow it down. I'm halfway through it. Not bad with guys only have 4 teeth up front. I'm almost through this. It's not bad. The only problem with this, it's really salty. Need more water. Now let's go back to the nut mix. Now it has 0 total fat, dietary prep, being 8%, 8 grams of sugar, 12% protein, 5% carbohydrates, which is not bad for a nice trail mix snack. I would throw in a raisin pack for more carbos, but this has enough carbos and sodium. Trust me, it has a lot of sodium. Yeah, so much salt and sodium in it, I don't really need to add salt or pepper to it. But I will add Tabasco. Boy, that is salty. Okay. Let's see how far the Uncle can get. Okay, that's 1 spoonful left, and I chowed it down fairly quick. Okay, a lot of people can't do that, but Uncle Alan's been doing this for a long time. Man, that is so salty. I put less salt on my eggs than my regular potatoes I cook here out of scratch, but that'll do a pinch, but and I can work with it. It's not a problem. Again, thank you to our friend David right here for sending the package. Sorry, David, it was a 3-parter. See all these people right here? Check them out. Okay. Now I'll finish the last bite in a few minutes. Let's close up. When you do stop and rest to eat, make sure you have plenty of time to boil water. Make sure one of these bags is viable. One of these things right here is credible. Okay? It does fill you up. It does sustain for one meal only. Okay? Now, I know a lot of guys will separate all this stuff and munch it on the way. Okay, but if you're in a big hurry, that has to be fortified. And I'll show you that in a later dirty trick. I'll put in another protein pack. I'll probably put in a protein shake or drink, probably another meal. If I'm really hoofing it, if I did like, let's say 5-10 miles a day, I need another pack of these. One pack isn't going to work. And I don't need all the accessory packs like this or like this. I need something caloric, got sodium in it, got everything to replace what I need this. This won't touch it. Okay, I can power through 2 of those. And if I'm really busy, and if I'm carrying a heavy load, I mean a really heavy load, okay, a lot of you guys don't remember that, but Uncle Alan's used to be 5'8". Now I'm 5'6" or 5'5" now. I'm just getting smaller and smaller every year. But that's a lot of sodium. And I'm doing these without my glasses because I'm getting headaches again. So we'll see what we're going to do. Okay? Thank you, David. David Lynn, for sending me the first aid kit and the first aid. We are going to take the radio, pass it on to Galvin, because I already have 2 of those. And then on the MRE, thank you very much. No egg, if you're going to send an MRE, no egg MREs. And I got to watch on the sodium. Boy, that's a lot of sodium. Okay, folks, I'll catch you later.